Got to be quiet doing this because the TV detector people are coming around. Ooh. It is literally late night shopping, and you get 3 items, you get free delivery. So it's a lot of cheap stuff I get. I generally get one thing I actually want, and then I'll buy a couple of cheap things to get free delivery. This is a zester. It's basically a bent. There we go. It's thin, but it's a zester. That's what it is. Yeah, la 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 la. Zester. You know, for oranges, that kind of stuff. Peeler, scraper, BDSMer. Oh, that's quite nice actually. I now rename this back scrubber. Oh yeah, that is no longer a zester. That has instantly become a exfoliator. Yeah. If I sit on it, it'll snap. But yeah, that's I like that. That's got a nice. Yeah, that's the kind of thing. If I had a girlfriend, that's gonna be really good for exfoliating my skin in the bath. That's going in the bath. Sod zesting. That's going in the bath. You always tell on customs how to go at it because they don't bother doing it up properly, and they always use a lot of crappy tape. It is quite pathetic when you live in a country like this, where Britain, because Britain's not a country, England's a country, but you're not allowed to call it England because that's racist. They call divide and conquer. They don't want anyone to be cohesive in their solidarity. But yeah, anything comes from China, they like to fuck it up on purpose to force you to buy American, which comes from China at 100 times the price. I think that's my new discs. Here we go. Yep, that's my new discs. And they're just the right size. Where's the other one? I haven't actually used it yet. See, that's the plate that it goes on. Yep, perfect. Absolutely perfect. I mean, worst case scenario, the ones I got that were the wrong size. My fault, not their fault. All I'll do with those is use them as frisbees or with a catapult. But yeah, that's my discs. Stainless steel, thin cutting discs, stainless steel. I mean, yeah, they're thin, they're fragile, but they're to do a specific job, and that is cutting stuff. So, and also, because it's a complete plate, it's when I'm doing my blades, putting an edge on them, shaping them, my experiments. Very handy. Very good price as well. It's a bit annoying. Some stuff arrives within 48 hours. Other things can take months to arrive. But they tell you it's not going to arrive for a few months, and then it arrives early. A good example was the scope for my laser I got. Both items, the high power laser and a scope, were meant to take, I think, 4 months to get to me. They got to me in 4 weeks. So that's an irritating thing sometimes, because you don't expect it, and it arrives. This is, it's my tripod. Another thing that I bought, expecting it to take a month to get to me. I only ordered this a few days ago. Yeah, it's just basically like a little gorilla tripod, because they're always a handy thing to have. I think mine broke. But yeah, the reason I got it is for the accessories, not the actual tripod, because I wanted this piece. And to buy this piece on its own, see, it's got a screw thing, so you can attach it to your standard camera attachment in the base of it, and that way you can put your phone in theory. Let's have a look, will it fit? Yeah, my phone will just about fit. See, modern phones are a lot bigger than what these were originally designed for. So yeah, that's brilliant, that's what I wanted. Excellent. Got a few little accessories there with it. It's just a handy thing to have, rather than just having to use a clip all the time. Did that break or just come out? Please don't tell me it's broken. No, fuck me doodles. That's an expression, fuck me doodles. Okay, I thought it might have broken there, but that actually comes out. easily. So it's literally just a push in thing. Yep, that's all right. So it's not broken. Oh, talking about panicking, because I've actually got an official branded GorillaPod tripod, and if that happened with mine, and it just snapped completely. I had to glue it back in. But this one, because it's not an expensive one, it's designed to last, which is extremely oxymoronic. But yeah, that's la la la. A couple of more extra bits to go onto there as well. Always handy to have, because these things give you a bit more options as well. So you can put that plate on it. Like that. And then if you've got your like GoPro style things you push in, you can stick it in there like that. So yeah, that's a nice little piece of kit. All these things were pretty cheap as well. So that's my 3 toys today. I mean, equipment. Yeah, I'm very happy about that. It comes out easy as opposed to just snaps and breaks, which the official one I got, which was 25 quid. I paid for one identical to this without any of the extras, just that piece, and it snapped instantly. Got it from fucking Argos. Whereas this one, yeah, I like that. That goes in my camera box of kit. So yeah, that's my 3 things today. A few nice little toys. That is meant to be for zesting oranges and like a mini cheese grater kind of thing. But yeah, that is going in the bath. So yeah, I did want it for actual cooking, but because it's not a massive, some of these you get really harsh on the sharp. You can sharpen these quite easily. You get yourself a little grindstone and just run it across very lightly, and that will sharpen all of these teeth. Just a little grindstone, thump, and it will sharpen the whole friggin' lot in one go. But yeah, that is going in the bath because, you know, dry skin. Yes, I like that. La la la.